Meaning of Holy Communion.
Holy Communion.
Holy Communion.
Holy Communion.
Holy Communion. Holy Communion, also known as the Eucharist, is a sacrament in the Christian religion. It involves the consumption of bread and wine, which are believed to represent the body and blood of Jesus Christ. The act of consuming the bread and wine is thought to symbolize the spiritual nourishment that Christ provides to his followers and the unity of believers in the faith. Through this sacrament, Christians believe they are strengthened in their relationship with God and with each other as members of the Church. Overall, Holy Communion is a central aspect of Christian worship and spiritual life.